How to add voiceover in Instagram Reels. Hey guys, in today's video I will show you step by step on how to add your own audio on your Instagram Reel. First of all, after you open your Instagram like this, now swipe to right like this to open your camera section. So now tap on this Reel section at the bottom right. After you select this Reel, now you can go ahead and record the video or upload the video. So I will upload my video by tapping on this Reel on this gallery icon. So now go ahead and choose the video that you want to add. So I'll just go ahead and tap on this section. So let's say I want to add voiceover or my audio on this video. After you select the video like this, now as you can see, tap on this edit video section. After you tap on this edit video, all you have to do now, swipe now to left and tap on this volume section. After you tap on this volume, make sure you mute the original volume of the video and tap on this done button. So now all you have to do now, tap on this where it says add this voiceover, tap on it. Voiceover, here is it, tap on it. After you tap on this voiceover, as you can see now, make sure your video has started from the beginning like this one. So tap on this, as you can see now. If you tap on this section now, it will start recording your audio under this video, as you can see now. So after you finish recording all your audio, all you have to do now, tap on this done button and tap on this arrow at the top right side. So now you can go ahead and add your description and tap on this share button. Now you can be able to share your reels with your audio on Instagram. That's it guys on how to add your own audio to Instagram Reels. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.